Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can install a WordPress theme which is called Short. So let's get started. First we are going to on the left panel. Here you can see appearance. On the right side here you can see themes and editor. Just click on themes. Now we are gonna install a new theme. Now click add new theme and here search for Short. This is very lightweight theme. So here you can see details and preview. Short WordPress theme ideal for a blog, personal, portfolio. So now click on install button and it will be now installing, and a few seconds. Okay. Now it's installed. Now click on activate. It will be activate. Okay. Now here you can see Short business theme. Thanks for choosing Short version 1.7.5. and now we have to click on get started with Short. Now it's processing. We saw it. It's take a few seconds. Okay, we have successfully installed the Short theme, and on the left panel here you can see customization panel. You can customize everything from here. You can add new logo, you can change this text, you can change this image, and you can change everything from here, like site identity. Here you can add a new logo, select logo. So currently I don't have any logo. You can change site title. This is site title. This is site tagline. And here you can see site icon. This is called fav icon. Here you can see a fav icon. You can change this icon from here. So I am going back, and here you can see home page section. Here you can change this slider. Enable or disable. You can disable it or enable it. Back. Top content. This is for top content, and here you can see this is top content. So if you click on this, it will be bring on it, and here you can change it, and you can change everything. Just click on pen icon and it will be bring you on this page. So this is how you can change everything. So finally, after complete your setting, just click on publish. Now I am going to see our site. Let's see. Okay, this is the final look in our site. So you can make a site very easy within few minutes by using Short theme, WP Short theme. It's a very lightweight theme. So thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.